Hello everyone, Precise HVAC Home Services here at it again, getting you another great video. Well, today we're going to talk about heat pump noises and what causes these heat pump noises and what they can be. Well, heat pump noises are very rare. Again, the reason why it's because when you go outside and you're actually mowing your lawn, you're watering your plants, you're just out there having fun and it's 80 degrees outside or if it's 20 degrees outside, your heat pump shouldn't make much noise. You typically and literally have to go up to your heat pump and sometimes pay really close attention to see if the fan is actually spinning, right? So if you're paying that close attention to see if it's spinning, there should be no noise coming out of it. It should be very minimal noise. Now, here are the reasons you can get noises outside in your heat pump. One is, when was the last time it was checked? Did you check it recently? Did you get it maintained recently? Has it been 5 years? Has it been 10? Has it been 1? We need to make sure that when we are doing our maintenance, you have to check off on maybe your calendar, your schedule, to put when the last time was that you got your heat pump checked and maintained. One control in your heat pump can have a ripple effect and start making other controls fail, such as your capacitor. That's one thing. If your capacitor is starting to fail on your heat pump, unfortunately what it can do is that it starts to take out your compressor and it can also start taking out your fan motor. Hey, right now you're going to get noises of 3 different things: your capacitor, your fan motor, and your compressor. And let me tell you, your capacitor is going to be your cheapest and your most inexpensive thing to actually replace inside that heat pump. You're talking about a few $100. But if we don't take and maintain these things properly and take care of it so that way we can get a longer life on these heat pumps, you're going to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on repair. At that point, you're going to start looking and saying to yourself, is it even worth repairing this thing? I understand it's only 8 years old, but I have a $5,000 bill in order to repair this thing. Is it worth it? Well, that question you're going to have to answer yourself. We can't answer that question for you. What I can just say is that please maintain your systems. Make sure that your outdoor unit doesn't have a bunch of bushes around it, plants around it. It's got to breathe, right? If you got a side discharge, and a side discharge unit means that your fan motor is in the front of your unit, and it's actually getting air from the back of the unit. So you don't want to have anything obstructing the front of it, and you don't want to have anything obstructing the back of it. So make sure you don't have any obstruction at all, because that can cause your system to overheat and cause noises too inside. Another big thing that I've seen around in the industry, being around for so long, is that a lot of people want to put their systems on the wall, right? So they want to hang them on the wall, which is great. But the thing is that the refrigeration inside these systems are high pressure. And when the high pressure refrigeration starts to go through the house, through the wood, through the siding, and sometimes they staple these things across the joists in the basement or in the attic, that becomes a harmonic noise that people are going to hear inside in their bedrooms while they're sleeping, while they're watching TV. It's a possibility that that can happen, which your contractor should tell you about that before actually mounting it on the wall.